Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can be on holiday on Vinted. So what you'll need to do is basically go to the settings right here. Then what you'll need to do is scroll down and click on the account settings right here on the left and scroll down down, and right here you'll see a holiday mode. Enable it, and basically a holiday mode allows you to hide all your listings for up to 90 days, so use it whenever you aren't around to send your sold items or when you need to pause trading for any other reason. So you can turn the holiday mode on or off at any time, and basically that's how you do it. I showed you. And holiday mode doesn't extend the length of your purchased bumps or showcase. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.